Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Heidi. Welcome. In today's video, I'll be sharing a super simple crockpot buffalo chicken dip. And if you're new, please consider subscribing and let's get started. So many years ago, my uncle's fiance made this buffalo chicken dip. And I was like, wow, this is delicious. I need this recipe. So I got the recipe from her, which I will put in the description box for you guys. You'll only need 5 ingredients, plus your choice of chips or crackers. We love to eat ours with the Fritos corn chips. So to get started, you want to drain the can of chicken. There's no need to shred it right now. You're just going to put it right into the crock pot, as is. This buffalo chicken dip is perfect for parties. It's really easy and simple to do. Doesn't take a lot of time. You're going to add in your cream cheese. You'll use a half a cup of ranch dressing of your choice, and then you'll just add that right into the crock pot. For the buffalo sauce, I use 1/4 of a cup. You can add more or less depending on your spiciness that you want to add in. If you're unsure of how spicy you want it, you can add in a little bit at a time and do a little taste test. You can easily double this recipe for parties. I just made a small portion for the weekend. And then you'll add in your cheese. I used 2 cups of cheese, and you want to turn your crock pot on a low setting for an hour. After that, you're going to stir in all your ingredients. I have the easiest way of shredding the chicken. I've used it before in my Taco Tuesday video. It is using a hand mixer, and it'll shred the chicken and mix all the ingredients so it's perfectly mixed. I hope you guys enjoyed one of my favorite chips and dips. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing before you go. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section for me. And as always, thank you for watching. Bye.